So class, today I'd really like for you to explore order of operations with regard to algebra. Ooh, Mrs. Blair, I heard of this thing. It's called PEMDAS. PEMDAS. We learned this last year. I know.
Oh, yeah, I heard of PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Yep, we did that last year. It tells us we gotta do certain things before we gotta do certain things. I got it. Yep, got that one. PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Yep, PEMDAS. That means we do the parentheses first, then the exponents, then the multiplication and or the division, then the addition and or subtraction, and it all goes from the left to the right. Yep, that's PEMDAS. That's order of operations. That's what we learned last year.
Oh, yeah, order of operations with PEMDAS, and we have to remember that we have to be able to do all of those things like that we could always do, like we have to be able to multiply with fractions and divide with fractions as well as decimals. We can't forget all the stuff we know.
Yeah, and it's really, really hard sometimes to remember all those things that we're supposed to do. Like we're supposed to be able to do all the stuff with fractions and, oh yeah, and positive and negative numbers. Wow, I get myself really confused sometimes when I look at PEMDAS because there's more to PEMDAS than PEMDAS.
Yeah, like last year, I got really confused when I got had to do these things because I could do PEMDAS left to right and all that good stuff, but then I had a hard time with the positive and negative adding and subtracting. So it's really important that you know how to do all those things beforehand.
Yeah, because some of my friends and I, we had to really work hard on some homework and really talk about how to get negatives and positives and all those things. So it takes a little extra time, but once you just know how to do PEMDAS, you'll be much better off because if you learn the other concepts, you'll have a good time.
Well, class, that was a pretty good discussion about order of operations. Pretty impressed. You seem to remember a lot from fifth grade. Way to go, good job, and we'll talk more about order of operation in PEMDAS tomorrow during our next math class.
So what do you think about PEMDAS? Do you think it's something that we can all be really successful with? Because I really think that Mrs. Blair wants us to be successful with PEMDAS. And I get the feeling if we work together, we can be successful with PEMDAS.
Yeah, I definitely think we can be successful with PEMDAS. Because we get to learn from one another and we get to work together to understand PEMDAS. So yeah, I really think that PEMDAS is going to be pretty cool. We're going to have some good friendships going on. Yeah.